Who's cute? Hi. Do you love this? Do you like this? Oh, well, hello. So you put 2 paws in, you know, and then it's like she's Superman when she wears it. Oh, you're ready for the winter. Yes, you are. Good job. And then this, I really like the best. Did that get your approval? Did that get your approval? Do you go wiggle butt? What's your wiggle butt? So, I think she likes it.
So already, I tightened these harnesses all the way down. Look, there's so much of a gap, and they just like immediately slide. Like, look at this. And I tightened these all the way down, and we haven't used it. She's just run around with it for about an hour.
Walk this way.